Welcome to Day-Night News.
Another round of discussions may take place in Washington soon. Islamabad must furnish verified estimates of flood-related losses, ensure provinces will absorb these costs from own resources. Government moves on asset declarations to meet IMF benchmarks. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has called for expanding Pakistan's ties with Saudi Arabia beyond defense cooperation, urging a renewed focus on trade, business, and investment. He said the kingdom was fully prepared to support Pakistan in advancing this shared economic vision. Trump says Israel and Hamas have agreed to first phase of Gaza peace deal, paving way for ceasefire. PTI's Ali Amin Gandapur said on Wednesday that he resigned from his role as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa chief minister, while the party's general secretary, Salman Akram Raja, confirmed that party founder Imran Khan directed Suhail Afridi to assume the role of provincial chief executive. On the instructions of Deputy Prime Minister Mohammad Ishaq Dar, former Senator Mushtaq Ahmed has safely departed for Pakistan from Oman. The Embassy of Pakistan in Oman ensured all necessary arrangements for his smooth departure. Kabul, Afghanistan's Taliban Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi left for New Delhi on Wednesday, the ministry said, in what would be the first visit to India by a Taliban leader since they seized power in 2021. Participants of the Moscow format of consultations on Afghanistan, including Afghanistan's Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi and Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, posed before the event in Moscow, Russia, on October 7, 2025, handout, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Russian Federation. Pakistan will be sold advanced medium-range air-to-air missiles, AMRAAM, by United States Defense Group Raytheon following a modification in the firm's contract that included the country in the list of buyers, it emerged on Tuesday. The U.S. missiles are equipped on F-16 Falcons flown by the Pakistan Air Force, PAF. Washington, Cairo. Israel and Hamas agreed on Wednesday to the first phase of U.S. President Donald Trump's plan for Gaza, a ceasefire and hostage deal that could open the way to ending a bloody 2-year-old war that has upended the Middle East.